Hey, what's up guys? Josh from TrailBuilt, and you guys have already seen our Toyo AT3 video and know how awesome of a tire that Toyo makes. And if you haven't seen our AT3 video, then you definitely got to check it out on our YouTube channel or Facebook. But in today's video, we give you guys a close-hand look at Toyo's rugged terrain tire for those of you who are looking for a super durable and tough off-road tire, but also needing that high-performing on-road tire as well. So make sure and smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. And remember guys, for sizes, specs, pricing on these Toyo RTs, make sure and head on over to TrailBuiltOffroad.com or by clicking the link in the description below. All right guys, let's check out these Toyo RTs. And guys, real quick, before we get into our Toyo video, we have a huge announcement to make. Right now, you guys have a chance to win a set of Black Rhino wheels packaged with a set of BF Goodwrench tires. You guys have a chance to win a set of cast aluminum Black Rhino wheels wrapped with a set of BFGs up to 37 inches in size. Whether it's the BFG KO2 or even the KM3 mud terrain, the choice is up to you. So now is the time to win a new tire and wheel package from TrailBuiltOffroad.com, and just in time for the winter months. The easiest and the best way to get entered to win a set of Black Rhino wheels wrapped with a set of BF Goodwrench tires is to head on over to our website at TrailBuiltOffroad.com/giveaway and grabbing yourselves one of these exclusive Black Rhino BFG giveaway t-shirts, and we'll have the link posted in the description below. And plus, with every t-shirt sold, we are donating a percentage of the proceeds to the All Clear Foundation. If you have never heard of the All Clear Foundation, they were started to offer additional resources and support to all of our first responders. From our firefighters, emergency medical technicians, police, 911 operators, all the way to our medevac helicopter response teams and everyone in between. All Clear's programs are designed to improve the mental health well-being of our first responders and relieve post-traumatic stress symptoms, social and family health, physical health, and spiritual healing, and is one of the biggest reasons as to why we have chosen to give back to the ones who, day after day, week after week, and year after year, keep our community safe and are always there to help us, even on our worst days. When you want off-road performance without sacrificing the on-road comfort, plus a tire that looks good on your rig, the Toyo Open Country RT is a tire of choice amongst thousands of satisfied drivers. Built rugged for any terrain, this powerful 4x4 tire offers excellent off-road traction, durable construction, and aggressive styling. With their high turn-up, tough polyester 3-ply construction on their light truck and flotation sizes, you can rest assured you'll get the maximum puncture and cut resistance for off-road use. And with this multi-staggered tread design with these large and open tread voids, the RT will easily evacuate the mud, snow, clay, or water to make sure you are constantly regaining traction even in the worst conditions. You'll also notice how the center tread pattern offers a multiple pitch design, which just means the contact patch is hitting the road at different angles to make sure and tame the road noise to still give you peace of mind at highway speeds. And for cornering traction or traction in the ruts and tire grooves, Toyo has strategically placed these open scallop shoulder blocks and side lugs to help make sure you can steer to where you need to go, whether on-road or off-road. Also, throughout all of these tread blocks are plenty of siping to aid in additional braking and acceleration traction on wet-covered, snow-covered, and icy conditions as well. For a tire that is built from a reputable, high-quality company like Toyo, has a 45,000-mile warranty and advanced off-road capability with an exceptional reputation for on-road performance, there's no wonder as to why Toyo's rugged terrain is one of the top choice for off-road enthusiasts. And if any of you are currently running the RTs and have some additional feedback on how you like them, just let us know in the comments below. Or even if you guys have any questions on these RTs, let us know. Or you can also check them out on our website. It's TrailBuiltOffroad.com. Plus, we'll have a link in the description below. All right, guys, well, that is all that we have for you today. Don't forget to grab your BFG Black Rhino giveaway t-shirts, and remember to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys back again shortly.